Now, it is 1 by 7. Listen carefully, sir. I am more interested in seeing maximum students getting placed. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, and 6 by 7. Denominator it is 7, right? What if there is a combination of terminating and recurring? Listen carefully. Beautiful concept. 1 by 7. Write down 14.2857. Sir, is there any reason why you are writing 4 digits after decimal? Yes, there is a reason. Please write down. If P is a prime number, if P is a prime number, 1 by P is a recurring decimal. Is a recurring decimal. P not equivalent to 2 comma 5 with a repetition of factor of P minus 1, with a repetition of factor of P minus 1. Please write down this concept in your notebook. Most of the concepts, whatever I am teaching, you will not find in any of the regular placement aptitude books. Very, very important for you to pay attention. 1 by 7 is 14.2857. 14.2857. Now, if you observe, I want 2 by 7. Don't mug it up. Step number 1. Take the numerator 2. Multiply it by 10. What is 2 tens are 20. 7 goes how many times in 20? 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. Maximum 2 times it will go. Where is the digit here? Here. Write down this digit and the next digit. Dot remaining digits in the serial order. 28.5714. Again I am repeating. 3 by 7. Take the numerator 3. Multiply by 10. What is 3 tens are 30. 7 goes how many times in 30? 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 4 times. Where is the digit here? Write down this digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in the serial order. 42.8571. I hope you are understanding. 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Not only DXC company, any other companies, these sessions will be extremely useful. 4 tens are 40. 7 goes 5 times. 5 and the next digit. 57.1428. 57.1428. 5 by 7. Take the numerator 5. Multiply it by 10. 5 tens are 50. 7 goes how many times? 7 times. 7. Write down the next digit in a serial order. 4285. Are you all with me? 6 by 7. 6 tens are 60. 7 goes 8 times. 85.7142. 85.7142. I hope the idea it is clear. Through every question we will discuss the ideas, concepts, shortcuts, how to eliminate the answer option, how to actually solve aptitude problem. 1 by 7, 2 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14.2857. If P is 7, it is repeating with 7 minus 1, 6. The same 6 digits, it is getting repeated. I hope the idea, it is clear. Please go back. What should be the repetition? 428571. It is 428573. It is not possible. It is not possible. So eliminate it. First thing, first learning from this question, if the denominator contains a value which is only power of 2 or only power of 5 or combination of 2 and 5, then only I will get a terminating decimal. Then only I will get a terminating decimal. Else I will get a recurring decimal. Else I will get a recurring decimal. If the denominator is a combination of numbers of 2 and 5 and other thing, answer will be a combination of terminating and recurring. 2 and 7, not possible, not possible. Everybody, after the question is clear, please write down understood. If it is clear, say yes to me. If it is not clear, say, please express your doubt. No non-academic discussions, no Complete focus point is to teach you subject. I want each and every student to interact with me today and tomorrow. I know an algorithm to make you succeed in aptitude examination. I have been doing this from the last 16 years, and I know how students will get tensed or how students will get depressed if they do not clear any of the aptitude examination, right? I hope the idea it is clear, right? Next key point. 10 by 81. Any other doubts are there? Right? People write whatever that is possible because it's anonymous, right? 10 by 81. See this question, sir. 10 by 81. 0.12345679. 0.12345678. 12345678. 12345690. This is 10 divided by 81. It is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? 3 is a prime number other than 2 and 5. So it is a recurring decimal. It is a recurring decimal. Answer should be a recurring decimal. Just by looking at the question, you are able to say that terminating, it is not possible. Terminating, it is not possible. Only 50%, only 50%, only 50% of the questions we are able to eliminate. Now we are stuck in two more options. Now see here, how am I eliminating? 10 by 81. 10 by 81. Now if you see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8 nines. Divided by 8 nines. Now listen carefully, sir. Please don't do any 10 divided by 81. Unit digit. 8 ones are 8. Unit digit. 9 ones are 9. Unit digits are only not matching. So these eliminated. Are you all with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by. How do you write 0.34 bar? It is 34 by 99. How we are writing it? 3, 4. 2 digits are there. 2 digits, 2 bars are there. 99. 34. If it is 123, 2 bars. After dot, on how many digits bar is there? On 2 digits. 990. After dot, wherever digit bar is there, it is 9. Wherever digit bar is not there, it is 0. 990. After dot, what is the number? 123 minus which number bar is not present? 1. Answer is 122 by 990. 122 by 990. Bar is present on all the numbers. So 999999. 9 into 1. 9 into 1, it is 9. 1 into 8. 8. If the unit digit it is not matching, how will it will? Right? How will it will match the number? 12 and 13, are they both same? They are not same. 12 and 13, they are not same. Any doubts are there? You can ask. Any doubts are there? You can ask. I hope the idea it is clear. Definitely I will use the black screen whenever I am teaching any concept. The first thing you should do is 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Denominator it is other than 2 and 5. So answer will be a recurring decimal. First it is terminating. Second it is terminating. C and D both are recurring. How to eliminate the options? On these, is this logic clear to you? Anyone want any help? Kindly message. Only ask me the doubts that you got in this class, right? Whenever we are in a public platform, there will be a lot of people, right, who will pass a lot of unwanted things. Any doubts are there? You can ask. Everybody, is it clear? Everybody. competition max wala, it is, I can understand English in the first go itself. I can understand the meaning. You don't need to say it again and again, right? I am not an uneducated, illiterate person who want a repetition. Anything which too much spam, it creates a disturbance in the class. Second one. Third one. Now see here. 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444. These are very, very good questions, sir. Question 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 and so on up to n terms and so on up to n terms. Now see here. Listen carefully. Question contains, if you get a question from algebra, if there is any question from algebra, 90 to 95% of the questions, 90 to 95% of the questions comes under this category. Question contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Answer contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. Question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. These are the four variety of questions you will get it from algebra. Mostly, almost any question which you see it in algebra, right from linear equation, quadratic equation, polynomial equation, progressions, you will find almost all the questions. There will be some miscellaneous questions which will keep it under the 10 to 5% category. Most of the algebra questions comes under this category. Question numerical values, answer numerical values. Question numerical values, answer variables. Question variables, answer numerical values. Question variables, answer variables. Now let us see which pattern it belongs to. 0.4, 0.44, 0.444. All these are numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. This circle part, that means this question comes under this category. Whenever you get a question under this category, question contains a numerical values and answer contains a variables. Best way to solve it is by using substitution. Substitution is the best method to solve if the question contains numerical values and the answer contains variables. Substitute n equivalent to 1. N equivalent to 1. Let us see. So let me substitute in the first option. What n equivalent to 1? What is the first value? 0.4. I should get 0.4 if I substitute in the answer. 4 by 9 into 8 minus 1, 7. 7 plus 1 by 10. 71 is not a multiple of 9. First one, it is not possible. Second one, 4 by 81 into n value 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 plus 1 by 10. 81 by 10. 81 cancel. 4 by 10 is 0.4. 4 by 10 is 0.4. Wherever the question contains, for me this is important. Solving comes the next. This is the cause. Once your concepts are good, depending upon whatever the question is given, you can use it. Again I am repeating, every question concept I will repeat it. If the question contains numerical values, if the question contains numerical values, answer contains variables, substitute. Any important point which I am repeating twice, that should be there in your notebook. Question contains numerical values, answer contains variable, substitute. Hey Anil sir, what if more than one answer option will give you? There could be some problems which would give you more than one. In such a case, put n equivalent to 2. If n equivalent to 1 is giving you more than one answer option, put n equivalent to 2. Put n equivalent to 2. Everybody who is watching this class live from your home, from your hostel, wherever it is, reply after the concept is clear to you. Reply with yes if it is clear to you. Reply with doubt if it is not clear to you. Anything other than these two replies, I am not interested. Please do not waste your time in writing something which does not even serve the purpose. It is like a beggar writing a book how to become a crorepati. If a beggar is writing a book how to become a crorepati, then why is he still a beggar? So I think you should do what is right for you. Sandeep, question contains numerical values, answer contains variables. Just substitute, put n equivalent to 1. If I put n equivalent to 1, Sandeep, in the second option, 4 by 81, 9 minus 1, 8, 8 plus 1 by 10, 81 by 10, 81, 81, it will be cancelled. 4 by 10 will be 0.4. 4 by 10 will be 0.4. Idea clear? Second one. If you see, this is a question from algebra. This is a question from fractions and decimals. Fractions. Another one. M equivalent to 0.1 plus 0.01 whole square, 0.0001 whole square. N equivalent to 0.3 plus 0.03 whole square, 0.003 whole square. Listen carefully. How to solve decreasing series problems. How to solve decreasing finite series problem. Please write down this heading. This is a finite series. It is not an infinite series. This is a decreasing finite series. This is a decreasing. After 3 elements, it is getting stopped. This is a decreasing series. Please see here, 0.01 is 1 by 100. 1 by 100 whole square. 1 by 100 whole square. Just 1 minute, sir. Please wait. 1 by 100. These are all small values. So small values can be neglected. Small values can be neglected. M is 0.1 plus something. M is greater than 0.1. N is 0.3 plus something. N is greater than 0.3. M plus N. Answer should be greater than 0.4 because 0.01, it is a very smaller value compared to 0.1. So smaller values can be completely ignored. After dot, some digits I will get. M is greater than 0.1, N is greater than 0.3. M plus N should be greater than 0.4. M plus N should be greater than 0.4. This is eliminated, this is eliminated. This is eliminated, this is eliminated. I hope the idea it is clear. Right, now take 1 minute timer and try to solve this question in whatever way that you know it. Whatever way. I already eliminated 2 answer options, right?
क्लासेस चल रही है 299.
Please try to solve the question and tell me the answer. Please put your honest efforts and say the answer. Send the link again. What do you think it is the answer? What do you think it is the answer? Right? Let me see the dots. Rahul is asking, sir, can you teach any online course at fixed time? Rahul, I'm sorry, I cannot teach because I've got a lot of college projects to handle. I've got close to 9,400 students who are dependent on my related things, just try to solve. 1 minute, sir. Please mention your answers. What do you think is the answer? Please. What do you think it is the answer? Now here another beautiful concept will come into picture, because it's a finite series. It's a finite series. What you can do is, now see here, listen carefully. Because it's a decreasing finite series, you can use the concept of digital sum. You can use the concept of digital sum. How you can solve this question using digital sum? M equivalent to 0.1 digital sum. Digital sum is defined as sum of the digits until you get a single digit number. These 0.10 plus 1, 1. Again it is 1. Again it is 1. M is 3. N is 0.3. It is 3. 0.03 square, it is 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. N is 3. So M plus N will give you 3 plus 3 will give you 6. Answer should be 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. It is 4. Not possible. Answer for this question is 411,009. 411. 411,009. 0.1, it is 1. 0.01. Whenever the digits are there, digital sum, it is defined as sum of the digits until a single digit is obtained. 0.1, it is 1. 0.01, it is 1. 0.001, it is 1. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. These cancelled, these cancelled. N is 3. M plus N. Answer digital sum should be 6. Answer digital sum should be 6. Answer digital sum should be 6. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. 0.4110001. Right? In case if there is more than one answer option, if the digital sum is 6, go for the first two values approximation. Go for the first two values approximation. How to do first two values approximation? 0.1 plus 0.00001. N is 0.3 plus 0.00009. Go by the first two calculation and eliminate the answer option. Remember, how you solve only matters. The language of success in any app, especially placement, is if 400, 500 students are competing and there are 60 to 70 jobs that are there, probably they will filter out 150, 30% of 500 is close to 150. From that 150, they will filter out another 40 to 50%. That is an industry standard. It is very, very important for you to clear the cutoff. If you do not clear the cutoff, someone else will clear the cutoff, and a golden opportunity. What will happen is, in the college, if you do not capitalize the opportunity, the same DXC off campus, in the college, it is only competition with respect to your college students. But if you go outside, the multiplication factor will be 13 to 15 times. 13 to 15 times. Right? I hope it is clear. Idea it is clear. Whenever the series is a decreasing series, what you do is you approximate the values. Now another beautiful thing, question contains numerical values, answer contains numerical values. See here, another approach also we discussed. Question contains numerical values, answer contains numerical values. Question numerical value, answer numerical value. There also we can use which method? What is the method which I used it? Approximation which I used it. Approximation which I used it.